What's up guys? In today's video, we are gonna go over fabric and upholstery cleaning using the shinesupply product lineup. Let's get into it. Products to start, and then we will get into the actual work. So we have our carpet cleaner. It dilutes 3:1 in a shinesupply spray bottle. You have a dilution tab on the back that you fill the product to the dilution tab 3:1, and then the rest with water to the 32-ounce mark. Carpet cleaner is for general cleaning of your floor mats, upholstery, headliner, anything fabric inside the vehicle. Carpet cleaner cleans it extremely well. It's a citrus-based cleaner, super effective for all your general carpet and upholstery cleaning needs. Super Spot is a enzyme-based cleaner. So you can clean the entire carpet and seats, any fabric with Super Spot, but it's specific for stains in the vehicle that are from organic material like food, urine, God forbid, throw up. Anything that could potentially cause an odor, Super Spot's gonna not only clean it, but it's gonna eliminate what's in that stain that could be causing odor. All right, lastly, let's go over Fabric RX. So Fabric RX has two purposes. The first is a stain remover. So it's specifically for acidic-based stains, lower pH stains, like coffee, tea, soda, etc. Another thing it works excellent for is water staining on fabric seats. If you have, one of your kids you've got from soccer practice, they've been sweating, their back, and you get that water ring on the fabric seat, or you've spilled a bottle of water on your fabric seats, Fabric RX straight works excellent to remove those type of stains. Second purpose for Fabric RX is it's a neutralizer. So what it does is that it neutralizes the pH in these cleaning products. Once you've finished using these, brings it down to a neutral state, which eliminates the chance of resoiling. All right, so the first step is obviously gonna be a thorough vacuum. And then while you're in there vacuuming, I like to try to identify what kind of stains I got going on. Sometimes it's a little bit challenging. Coffee seems like it's the easiest to spot out because it's gonna be a brown stain. Let's pull this mat out and let's go over it together. So I'm gonna throw a quick little vacuum on this, and then we'll get into the exact steps. I know if you're watching this, there's all kinds of ways you can do, your pre-cleaning steps on a mat. You can blow it out with compressed air. Some guys are gonna power wash them, do all kinds of different stuff. We are not getting into those type of specifics today. I want to speak directly to how to use these products on your stains in your fabric, floors, floor mats, or seats. So when we look at this stain right here, I'm gonna assume that's a coffee stain, some type of soda. So step one, this is super important. I want to use Fabric RX and pre-treat any stain on the carpet that I'm assuming to be coffee or soda. Reason being, this is a lower pH product. It's an acidic based cleaner. So if you use the higher pH cleaners like the carpet cleaner or the Super Spot, if you use those first and then realize you have a coffee stain or a soda stain and jump back to the lower pH product, the Fabric RX, you're basically eliminating the benefits of the Fabric RX because you have the dominant, more powerful cleaner on that stain initial contact. So you always want to identify anything you assume to be coffee, soda, tea, etc., and get your Fabric RX straight, spray the stain, give it a nice brush in with your brush of choice, get that product working in that stain, and then after that step, we'll move into the other products. So So we'll just give it a quick shake up. And in particular, we're gonna hit this stain right here, and I'm gonna mist a little bit on these areas. Look at that. Just after a few passes with the brush, it's already making that stain start to disappear. That's when you know you've really addressed the stain on the right chemistry. That's why it's so important to pre-treat coffee, soda, tea, etc. with Fabric RX first. So this product is in the carpet. It's working for me right now. It's starting to break down that stain. I'm gonna go into some of these areas. Quick little brush in. And what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you guys how far you can get simply just with a brush and a towel. Now, of course, you could do your extractors, steaming, etc. Again, we're not gonna discuss those type of things today. Really wanna focus on the benefits and the proper methods and steps with the products. So look at that mat already just by getting the Fabric RX in. All right, next up, I'm gonna grab the Super Spot. So see some of these dark areas? I know that there's been some food spilled, something kind of organic in these areas. So what I want you guys to do is pretty much any high traffic stain area you see after you've pre-treated with the Fabric RX, come through with your Super Spot and just hit those darker areas where you feel like there's more staining. I'm gonna brush it in. Now again, I've gone right over the Fabric RX. I've done no toweling or anything in between. Look at it already. My third and final pre-treatment step will be with the carpet cleaner. This is the citrus-based cleaner. So now I'm gonna go over the entire floor mat with the carpet cleaner. So if you are on the inside of the car and you have done your pre-treatment with these two products, Fabric RX and Super Spot, you're gonna go over the entire carpet with carpet cleaner and brush it in. One thing I really like about carpet cleaner, it's a low foaming. You're gonna see when I start to scrub this right now, it's not gonna foam up a lot. You don't want carpet cleaning products that are high in foaming. All that's gonna do is potentially cause more resoiling because that foam leaves residue in the fibers of the carpet. So carpet cleaner is intentionally low foaming. Look at that, just after brushing. So look, a little pro tip for you guys. The longer these products are able to sit in the carpet, let's say it's like 10, 15 minutes by the time you get around the whole entire interior, it's just better because what those products are doing, as soon as they get into the fabric, they're going to work for you. They're starting to work and emulsify and break down the stain. So if you were just to spray in one of these products, brush it real quick, and go and towel it right up immediately, you're basically shortchanging the product because you're not giving it time to work. So next, I'm gonna just take a microfiber towel and towel this up simply to demonstrate the potency of these products just with a brush and towel method. No steaming, no extracting. Now, I'm not trying to preach that you don't need to steam and extract. I just wanna show you how well these work without those tools involved. So let's towel this up. So we've brushed it, we've toweled it up. The final step will be to utilize Fabric RX as its secondary purpose, which is the neutralizer. So I got it 20-to-1 in this bottle. Honestly, if you guys wanted to beef it up a little bit, you could even do 10-to-1. But the final step is I'm gonna mist it over this, not oversaturate, but just a nice fine mist. I'm gonna take my brush, do some nice striping, leave it. You do not towel this up. You're not gonna extract it up, steam it, anything. This is the final step, leaving that product in the carpet. And again, what that is doing, it's bringing the pH down from these two products in particular to a neutral state, so that that product is not still in that fabric working and emulsifying, which is the main reason people have stains that resurface. Like, you get done and it looks like this, all the stains are gone. You leave the job, or it's your own car, and you come back the next day and some of the stains are back, and you're like, dude, I thought, how are those back? It's because the product was still working, you didn't neutralize it, so it just resoiled. Look at that. Another thing Fabric RX is doing, as you can see, it brightens the fibers of the fabric. Makes them shiny. So, especially for those do-it-yourselfers, enthusiasts, I feel like there's an intimidation with carpet cleaning. Like, you think, oh, I gotta have a steamer, I gotta have an extractor. Although those tools are great, as you see today in this demo, just with the product, the brush and the towel, I want you to feel comfortable now cleaning the carpets in your own vehicle, and you see the results you can get using these products. We are gonna get in the Suburban and keep getting the rest of these stains up. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. You see the results. Any comments, any questions, leave it in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video.